So unless you've been living under a rock, you may have noticed that AMC and GME are starting to pop back up again. This is because a number of factors, mainly one of the original guys of GME's started to tweet again, and that got everyone super excited. Now, I'm going to give you my case why I think this is different, and we're not going to have this massive short squeeze that everyone thinks. And I think it's easiest to look at here with the AMC chart. You had this at $600. There's somebody who still owns this from $600. Go back and look at their Twitter mentions. They were probably saying, oh, this is going to go to $1 million. Sells off and then bounces. And then all of a sudden, the people who are up here are down a little bit less. They sell. Some other, grifter comes out with a reason why AMC should bounce. It bounces. These people from here sell, and so on and so forth, all the way down. So there's still bag holders from all of this area here on AMC, and it'll probably continue to go this way to zero. And you look at this chart, it's up 100% today, but you can barely see the candle, and that's because it still has many thousands of percent to go to even get anywhere near an all-time high. I don't think GME is going to be any different. I think these are great trades, and we should take action on them because, with trade ideas, we are short-term traders. We try to take advantage of them. Now, what's my game plan? I'm not interested in AMC. I'm not interested in GME, those moves that happened. What I'm going to do is try to follow the playbook of what happened last time we had these massive short squeeze. There was a GME moved and then crashed down, and then AMC moved and then crashed back down, and then you had Bed Bath & Beyond was a thing that's bankrupt now. You had BlackBerry, you had Nokia, you had all of these stocks that were heavily shorted. It's like the crowd, the group, cycled through one after another. Awesome thing that we do at Trade Ideas is we give you the short float data. So I'm going to go through tonight, but I wanted to show a couple that I kind of like already. So Beyond Meat has an interesting level here, around 850 or so, and a 41% short float. If we can break through that tomorrow, maybe that's the next target. I'm always looking for the next target. I'm not FOMOing into the last target, right? I want to find what they're interested in next. RILY, right? Big breakout of a long-term base here, a pullback, and a little bit of a push, a 56% short float on this particular name. Take a look at something like CAR. We have a 10% short float, but 4 days to cover on this name and a nice little tight base. So what I would do is I would load up your Trade Ideas scanner. If you don't have Trade Ideas, link in the description below, use Stats Edge, save yourself 15% off, and try to find a list and build a list of what you potentially think could be next. Then you can go into it with a game plan. Instead of buying something like GME that's up a couple 100% off its lows, still thousands of percent off of its highs, try to just find what potentially could be the next one, because if the herd moves and you're prepared, to me, that's where you can profit when we have these short squeeze moments. For more of this content, make sure you go to statsedgetrading.com, sign up for the email list there. I'll talk to you guys soon.